this page, we just want to identify what kind of angle we see. So if you find angle COA, we just want to name whether it's a central angle or an inscribed angle, and then we want to find out what its intercepted arc is. So COA, these are the 3 points on that angle, so we start at C, find O, and then over to A. So we have this angle right here. Now the vertex of that angle is at the center of the circle, so we know that this is, we know that this is a central angle. And the intercepted arc has to go from one of the sides to the other of the sides. Now if we look at this, this is the diameter right here. So this arc is less than 180 degrees, which means that it is a minor arc. So we can just call this arc CA. On this page, we're looking at angle EAB. So if we start at E and we go all the way down to A, and then over to B, we see that A is the vertex of this angle, which means that it is an inscribed angle since A is on the outside edge of the circle. So this is inscribed. And the intercepted arc goes from E to B. Again, this is less than 180 degrees, so it's a minor arc. So we only need 2 letters to name this arc. On this page, we want to go the opposite direction. So what we've been doing is we've been given an angle and then finding the intercepted arc. In this one, we're given the intercepted arc, and we want to figure out an angle who intercepts that arc. So first what we want to do is we want to find out where this arc is. This is ED. It's got 2 letters, so we know that it is a minor arc. So we're going to start at E, and we're going to go to D. So what that means is that basically the vertex has to be opposite that arc, and the angle has to open, kind of like it's eating that arc. So if we take E, and we follow this, one of these sides over here back, and same thing with D, we can see that these 2 sides intersect at point P. So our angle would be angle EPD. And because P is the vertex, and that vertex is on the edge of the circle, we know that this is an inscribed angle. But we also can see that there's another angle here that intercepts arc ED. So if we also follow ED back to this other point here, it's possible for more than one angle to intercept the same arc. So we can see that angle EFD also intercepts this arc. And this is also an inscribed angle because the vertex F is on the circle, not at the center.